Hey, what's up, people? This is Richie here at the lab. Thanks for tuning in. I want to send a shout out to my subscribers. Thanks for tuning in, and thanks for liking my videos. All right, well, today we're going to do a quick video on this 2012 E350 coupe. All right, we're going to be doing a lower radiator hose, and I got the part number for you, and we're just going to go over the steps that's necessary to do this job. It's not a big job, and in case you might have to do it on your own, I can show you what you're going to need and how long it's going to take. Not a big deal. All right, Richie here at the lab, 2012 W207, and we're going to do a lower rad hose. All right, here we go. All right, this is your most forward under engine panel, or under chassis panel, whatever you want to call it. These are 8 millimeters. You're going to need to remove this panel, so I'm going to do that now. All right, so once the panel's off, next thing we want to do is drain the fluid. All right, get the fluid drained out of there, and then we're going to go get that hose right there. All right, drain our fluid, then we disconnect the hose. All right, so you see my drain pans under there? I did that because that fluid is good, man. I'm not gonna throw that fluid away. It's good fluid. He just got a bad hose. All right, so we're gonna save his fluid. I'm not charging him for it. All right, now I moved this out of my way. As you can see, it's a 276 engine. All right, I moved this out of my way. There's my res, and here's my upper hose. Okay, so I moved this out of the way so I could have more access. You don't have to move this, but you can. All right, so I moved it so I could have more room, and so now I'm getting ready to pop this hose out. All right, so I got, as you can see, I got my old hose out. This is the old one. This is my new one. I'm gonna go with a new clamp right here. All right, and then just to kind of show you. Oh, wait a minute, hang on. That's backwards, right? Hang on. All right, so that's the vehicle, that's the part number, that's the hose, that's the shop. All right, guys, so we're about to wrap up doing this hose job. It's pretty simple. All right, you got your hose, you got your new clamp, you know your part number. You're gonna bleed this to put it back in. You're gonna close up your drain port, put all your fluid back in, run it, turn on the heater so you'll circulate the air, and then while you're running it, constantly check your fluid level and top it up. Once it's full, drive it around the block a couple times, and then let the air come out, and then top it up again, and then you're set. All right, Richie here at the lab. Lower radiator hose, E-Class coupe. All right, we'll see you in the next one.